from a job, and I've had this, for me, this is probably my best day being a locksmith. This is what I love about being a locksmith, but when these days happen, it's just the best. Do you know what day it is? It's new tool day. Look at these bad boys. So, I mean, let's start with the Andy Law lock picks. My pick set's just started to give up. I had the Dino set, but I've bent a couple and broke a couple. So yeah, this little bad boy set, it was only like, I think it was like 50 quid or something. It's unreal, really nice. I'm really pleased with this. But yeah, look at all them. Lovely quality. So yeah, and we've got the tension tools, some tension tools there, some there. Well chuffed with that. And then yeah, some of the GJ picks that I haven't got. I just thought I was gonna, you know, when I bought all my GJ stuff, I prioritised with the stuff that gets used in my area. So and these are the ones. I mean, we do have VALs down here, and I have come across them on a job, but I've handpicked them, and the same with the Ultian, to be fair. But I've just got to a point where, you know, I just want these tools now. I just want everything he's got. I love his stuff. So yeah, 3 new GJ tools, and the J tool, little thumb turner. Yeah, how cool's that? It was really nice to come home, and I thought I'd probably be here tomorrow, to be fair, but I think I only placed the order over the weekend. Look at that. Lovely. You know what I'm going to be doing this afternoon, don't you? Tool pull.